Students, today we have to learn the science subject 6th chapter substances in daily use. Now it's the subtopic that is production of substances. Can you see the picture? This type of rubber we can use in our daily life. This type of rubber you had saw in your daily life. We use this rubber to tie papers and many uses. In the next picture, we use this type of rubber to tie papers and many uses. In next picture, you can see a rubber which we use to erase our wrong letters which we spelled by mistakenly. We have write the wrong words. That's why we use the rubber, that is eraser. In next picture, we saw some toys which are made from the rubber in our daily uses, like this the tire, the toys. These are made from the rubber. Rubber is of two types: natural and the artificial rubber. The natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of tree. You can see in the picture there is a slab to the trees. From it is gained from the tree. Natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of the trees. This sap is called a latex. This sap is called as a latex. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is a white in color. You can see in the picture that is it is white in the color. Now the second type of the rubber, it is artificial. From how we get it the rubber by the artificially manner, that is vulcanization. The process is known as the vulcanization of rubber. Now what is in this process? In this process, a rubber is heated with the sulfur for the 3 or 4 hours to give hardness to the rubber. For the hardness to the rubber, it is heated for 3 to 4 hours with the sulfur to give hardness to the rubber. Sulfur is mixed in it. The proportion of sulfur in this mixture is determined by the purpose for which the rubber will be used. The rubber will be used. You can see in the picture there is a harness to the rubber. That's why we use the tires. The proportion, the erasers, rubber balls, and rubber toys all have varying properties of sulfur in them. Charles Goodyear had invented the process of vulcanization. Now, rubber is a natural substance obtained by collecting by latex a certain tree. Rubber trees are found in abundance in Brazil. The botanical name of tree is Haiwa brasiliensis. In India, maximum production of rubber is in Kerala.